I recently reviewed the Retekess TG201 microphone, which is a 16-bit 48 kHz condenser microphone with 2 pickup patterns, great for live streaming and gaming. That microphone is super affordable at just $54.99 at the time I made that video. And already, Retekess have just released the TG201, which I believe is a follow-up to the TG101 model. Before I get into the video, I just want to say that this microphone here was sent by Retekess, the sponsor of this video. The Retekess 201 is an 𝐷𝐸𝐥𝐿 gaming microphone featuring a quick mute function button at the top, dynamic 𝐷𝐸𝐿 lighting, volume control knob, and real-time audio monitoring. It has a 24-bit rate and a sampling rate that's up to 96 kHz. This microphone you see here is also a condenser microphone like the TG101 and also features 2 pickup patterns, cardioid or omnidirectional. It's meant to be a simple plug-and-play microphone that should work right out of the box. For build quality, the TG201 is very super lightweight, weighing about 286 grams with its stand, which is just here, and just about 127 grams without a stand, and that's because it's made entirely from plastic. Retekess says that inside of the microphone capsule are 2 60mm condenser capsules. If you were to notice, the stand has a pop filter, and at the top of the mic is where you find the quick mute touch sensitive button. When you come lower, you find the part where you speak through, and because it's an omnidirectional microphone, the mic parts are at the front and back. To the front is a small indicator light that tells you if you have the mic muted or not. Blue for when it's unmuted and red when it's mute. There's a Retekess logo just below that, and then the volume control knob. When you spin it around, at the back you have the switch for the 2 pickup patterns, 3.5mm audio monitoring port, and lastly a USB-C port, which would be used to connect the TG201 to the device of your choice. I have it now connected to my iPad Pro, which is just out of screen to my left. Now to the bottom of the TG201 is an 8-inch mount threading, so you can have this microphone rigged or mounted wherever you may wish, like I have here now to my low profile arm from Firefine. This is the Firefine BM88. I'll leave a link in the description so you can get this microphone arm if you wish. I kind of prefer to having it on the mic stand, because if not I would have to like be holding this way or bend down to speak to it. So that's for me is the preferred way. I'll leave links in the description so you can check things out. TG201 costs just $24.99 if you're in the US and £24.99 if you're in the UK as of the time of making this video. So this is absolutely affordable for every single one of you out there. It comes in this box you see here, and in it you get the microphone capsule itself with the stand, which also has the pop filter, a manual, USB-A to C cable, which is very long, and a USB-C to A adapter. So if you don't have a USB-A port on your device or computer, you can plug the other end of the cable into the adapter, which I think is smart and considerate of the brand Retekess. So for audio tests, I have the Sennheiser MK416 just above and out of frame and connected to my Zoom H6 audio recorder. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1 to 3. So that's the Sennheiser MK416. Now for the TG201, which you'll be hearing from the beginning, mic test 1 to 3, mic test 1 to 3. What do you think? Sennheiser, mic test 1 to 3, TG201, mic test 1 to 3. Let's quickly do a plosive test. Now I don't have the pop filter in front of the mic. Usually it's supposed to be at least this way, but I'll start off with saying Peter Piper pitched a podcast. Peter Piper pitched a podcast. Now to conclude, you're good to go with using this mic, which is just $30 straight out of the box. For me, it's super sensitive and super lightweight. Easy to use with real-time audio monitoring. Like now I'm recording and I can still connect a 3.5mm earphones to the back of this, and I can hear myself while recording, which is great, and I think it's a fantastic upgrade for the TG101. So this is a very easy to use mic with real-time audio monitoring. Comes with a mic stand that also has a pop filter. It can be mounted on a low profile arm or any mic arm like I have here. Its price is low. I think this is a steal. There's only just one thing, that is that it's just too sensitive. So be careful as it picks up any form of touches on it. You should hear some things. And of course the simple solution would be to implement like a dampener, something that will reduce So don't forget to like and subscribe. I have also left links in the description where you can purchase the TG201 down below in the description box. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. And as usual, it's your Filmmaker. Peace.